Want your next trip planned in under 60 seconds? Here's how to use ChatGPT as your personal travel agent, for free. Trip planning is overwhelming. You're juggling flight sites, hotel reviews, YouTube videos, and still unsure what to book. Instead of wasting hours, you can ask one AI tool and get a full, personalized travel plan instantly. Open ChatGPT and try this prompt. Plan me a 5-day trip to Thailand in May. My budget is $600. I like beaches, street food, and cultural experiences. You'll get a day-by-day itinerary, a budget breakdown for travel, hotels and activities, and weather guidance for that time of year. Then go deeper. Ask, what should I pack? Any scams to avoid? Do I need visas or vaccines? It covers everything. Use these prompts to supercharge your trip planning. What's a 10-day Japan itinerary for under $1,000 with sushi, temples, and anime? Create a solo Europe trip plan for hostels, trains, and hidden gems. What are 3 offbeat cities to visit in Italy instead of Rome? You can ask for weather forecasts, local customs, or even sample travel budgets. I dropped the exact prompts I used below. Copy, paste, tweak, done. Comment your dream destination. I'll get ChatGPT to plan it in a future video. Next episode, I'll show you my exact method for finding the cheapest flights. Subscribe for travel videos weekly, and see you in the next one.